See, the newly elected Honorable CM of Tamil Nadu, Joseph Vijay, has visited all political parties' office. All political parties which had extended support for him, in addition to the parties extended to support him, those parties which don't given extend support to the party, but he has visited all the office. That is the very good feature, very good nature of a coming CM of Tamil Nadu. Earlier he met the former CM, DMK leadership and others also, but he has maintained a very good civilized attitude to all political parties in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, his government will be most appreciable government in Tamil Nadu. That is our wish.